Hi guys! Today we will be unboxing the play button from YouTube. And first and foremost, I would like to thank you all for supporting my channel. Without you, I would not be here celebrating my milestone. There you go. So let's open the box from YouTube. Wow! There you go. Here it is. YouTube. Okay, this is big. This is big award. Ta-da! Okay guys, so once again, I would like to thank you for all your support. And this award from YouTube, this is for all of us. So you guys are part of me. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. But I am so happy guys that your full support on my channel. So thank you all. And I'm so happy. This cry is because it's the happiness. It's because of sadness. This is for all of us. And thank you once again.
Hi Ate Lynn. Oh, congratulations sa iyong milestone for having a silver button. I'm so happy and you are really such a great inspiration for everyone. Nakakatuwa naman kasi it's really like katas ng lahat ng hard work and lahat ng dedication mo, and you spend so much time to come up with this journey. So congratulations ate. I wish you all the best and more success on your YT journey. I love you ate, and thank you so much for everything. You are really very close to me, close to my heart, kaya sinusuportahan ko lahat. And if you need anything, andito lang si Coffee Break with Dasa.
Magandang araw, tanghali, hapon at gabi sa inyong lahat. Okay? Nandito tayo guys upang bigyan ng isang masigabong palakpakan ng mag-iisang Tita Lynn O ng YouTube. Congratulations sa iyo Tita Lynn O. Yung noon na pinapangarap mo, lagi mo pang ikinukwento sa amin sa tuwing LS mo na pangarap mo yung magkaroon ka ng silver button. Hey, nagdilang anghel ka Tita nagdilang anghel ka talaga at napakalaking blessing para sa iyo. You really deserve it, Tita Lynn O. Ako, sa lahat ng mula ng mga kasama ko sa YouTube, wala akong masabi pagdating dyan. You really deserve it at para sa iyo talaga yan. Kahit na yung iba o ako na magsumikap na magkaroon ng tulad ng nakamit mo ngayon na isang silver button or isang silver button holder. Ayan. Kung hindi ukol ay hindi bubukol, ika nga. Kung hindi para sa akin ay hindi para sa akin. Yung sa'yo, para sa'yo yan. So, yan, kita. God bless and more God bless. Para sa'yo. Tita Lynn O. Lagi mong iingatan ang sarili. Thank you.
Hi everyone, have a good day. Yay! Congratulations po Ate Lynn O. Sa wakas po, nagbunga po ang inyong hard work dahil na-reach niyo na po ang 100k subscribers on YouTube channel. Grabe, ang saya-saya, sana all. Di ba? Mapapasana all ka na lang talaga. And then, syempre, yung award nyo po as silver button from YouTube. And talagang sobrang nakakabilib po talaga kayo. Dahil po yung inyong dedication sa pag-YouTube, sa paggawa ng videos, ay talagang sobrang sipag, yung puyat at pagod. Ayan na, nagbunga na, nakakatuwa talaga. And we are so very happy and thankful po na na-meet namin kayo. Isa po kayo sa inspirasyon namin din na sana balang araw ay marating din namin po kung ano po yung narating ninyo. And sobrang believe po kami sa iyo. And syempre po, Maraming salamat po sa always na pag-support at sa pagmimigay ng blessings. More blessings to come po, and we are always here to support you. We love you po, and once again, congratulations. God bless!
Good morning mga guys! Eto si Greedy Granny for Lino! PFF, happy for you. Congratulations. Nakuha mo ni silver button. Di ba? Matagal mo na yun ang antay yun. At saka, deserve mo naman talaga yun, di ba? Diyos ko, halos araw-araw, download. Billing candies, lahat na ginagawa mo para lang maabot mo iyong tagumpay. Well, anyway, congratulations again. Congratulations to you. And to your greedy granny. Meron din ako. Sana all makakuha ng silver button. Happy for you, BFM. Di na ako magtatagal kasi may lakad pa. Just want to congratulate. I'm so happy for you. Mwah! Congratulations. Love you. Bye.
Isang magandang araw at mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Ang inyong lingkod, AGP Pinoy. Una nga pala sa lahat, gusto kong batiin ang aking ate sa mundo ng YT, si Ate Lino. Ate Lino, congrats dahil naabot mo yung pangarap mo na 100k subs na requirements ni Lolo, at ngayon na-receive mo na rin yung silver button mo. Congrats, yung minimiti mo, nakamit mo na. Tsaka salamat nga rin pala sa suporta mo palagi sa amin, lalo sa akin. Palagi mo piniplay ang channel ko kahit hindi ako nagla-live. Diyan ka palagi. Salamat sa lahat, Ate Lino, at congrats ulit. At i-push natin yan, Ate Lino. Targetin naman natin ngayon ang gold button. Yun naman ang targetin natin ngayon, yung gold button. Nakuha mo na ngayon ang silver button, yung gold button naman ang targetin natin. Push mo lang yan, Ate Lino, at andito lang ako palagi si AGP Pinoy, nakasuporta sa'yo. Kung may kailangan ka, magsabi ka lang, Ate Lino. Magsabi ka lang, andito lang si AGP Pinoy, nakasuporta palagi sa'yo. Kahit anong mangyari, sabihin mo lang. Hindi kita iwanan. At salamat sa lahat ng suporta mo sa akin. Mag-iingat ka palagi kung nasaan ka man ngayon. At huwag ka magbabago, stay humble. Salamat sa lahat at congrats ulit, Ate Lino, congrats. Push natin yan, push mo lang yan. Ang inyong lingkod, AGP Pinoy. Bye-bye.
Hi Manaylin, congratulations! Magandang gabi sa iyo, magandang tanghali. And congratulations Manaylin for being a silver button holder na ngayon. Congratulations po, ikay 100,000 mahigit na. At congratulations, sana maging ganyan din ang aking subscriber Manaylin. So, tuloy mo lang yan Manaylin, keep up the good work at maging inspirasyon sa ating mga katulad namin mga small YouTubers para umangat din ang kanilang mga channel. At syempre, tuloy mo lang po yung pagiging mabait, pagiging sweet. And congratulations po sa iyo, Manaylin, aking kababayan sa Bicol. At may God bless you always. Again, Manay, thank you so much sa suporta mo sa Team Kaagapay. At syempre, nito lang kami, Team Kaagapay, susuporta din po sa iyo. Yan. Again, congratulations. At tuloy-tuloy pa, mga 100, 200,000, 300,000. Ayan. Congrats po, Manay. Bye-bye!
Hi sis! Hi sis, it's me. So, congratulations ha. I'm just hopping in to congratulate you on your silver button. My goodness, hard work is paying off. So, congratulations again sis, and enjoy YT. Okay, bye for now.
Hey, we heard an exciting good news. Our dear Leno got her silver button from the YouTube. And this is everybody a bump. You deserve so much of it, Sissy Koy. Because you share your love, you share your blessings to the people who needs it. Continue to inspire others. And more step to the golden button. I just want to say that you are the best. Just believe in yourself. And this is Mabel Thoma, all the way from the USA, from the Midwest. I'm just always here behind your back. Once again, congratulations to you, and I love you always as a real friend.
Hi there, this is Gina Flores. Wants to congratulate my CC Lin O. Earning a silver button is everyone's dream. So I wish you a very, very big congratulations for earning that button. You earned it. As what we said, every hard work paid off. So anyway, I just want to greet you, and I am so proud of you. We are so proud of you, and thank you. I am part of the one of the YouTuber that you did help. So I always be grateful for all the things you've done to me, and you are my forever sister. No matter where we are, whatever you do, wherever you are, kahit hindi tayo masyado nag-meet, nagkukwentuhan, but you're always in my heart. So I wanna congratulate you because you earned that, girl. Go, girl! I'll just be here behind you.
Hi Ate! Congratulations for for your YouTube silver button. Wow, it's really amazing. I'm so happy for you, Ate, and continue to do whatever your heart's desire is. Continue to be a blessing to other people that's really in need of your help, and continue to spread love, continue to spread positive vibes in your channel, and I wish you more success in your life, in your YouTube channel, and a good health always. Continue to be a beautiful and to be young, and continue to be as you are. God bless you, Ate, and congratulations. This is Lynn Journey. Bye.